What a beautiful day to be out here for the vitamin C races, Steve.
Indeed it is, Bob. And today we've got 5 contenders up for bat for the most vitamin C.
Here they are. We've got Kale, Little Miss Belle P, reigning champ Orange, new contender Guava, and Peach.
And the crowd goes wild for Orange. Look at the size of that medal.
By far the heavy favorite for today's race.
Ooh, Peach doesn't look too happy about the joint up there.
Looks like it's gonna be a tight squeeze. The fruit stands are getting packed.
There's a huge crowd turnout for the local band, the mildly hot Bell Peppers.
Shh, Steve, the race is about to start. And they're off. And Orange is off to an aggressive start, followed closely behind by Little Miss Belle P and Guava.
Oh! And Kale goes down! Kale is down!
Orange is still racing ahead. He's got a commanding lead.
You're wrong, Bob. Little Miss PP snagged the lead. The crowd can't believe it.
And it seems neither can Orange. He's shocked.
Well, Bob, this is a historic first.
And quick, Guava takes the win. What a victory! A come from behind win.
And the crowd goes nuts! The race is over!
It looks like Peach sneaks into third. Orange is off the podium, and Kale is falling into fifth. What a race. Congratulations are in order for Guava.
And there's the results. Guava is king of the vitamin C races, followed by Bell Pepper and Peach.
Thanks for joining us, folks. Until the next race.